Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to put a switch in a merge so you can turn different parts of your comp on and off and put it in your macro so you have a switch to turn things on and off. I just made this up just for the tutorial for an example. And we'll go to Fusion, I'll show you how to do it. I already done merge 3 and 4, it's just to shorten the tutorial up. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms, that's why it's up there. Select the merge. Right click on blend, edit control. Give it a name. I'm going to call it box 1. And I'd like to select user. If you leave it on controls, on the merge itself, it'll override the blend control. Select user, it'll make a separate tab, and you'll see that up here in a moment. Then select checkbox control. Make sure the default is on 1. The range is from 0 to 1. Click OK. Now we have the user tab. And go into it, you'll see your switch. Now we'll do merge 2. Right click on blend, edit control. We'll call that box 2. Again, select users tab. Look over your settings. Checkbox control. And OK. And we have another user tab. Again, go into it. Now I'm going to show you how to look for it in the macro. Let's rename all 4 of these. I'm going to go box 1, box 2, box 3, and box 4. I will fast forward through this. Okay, I have them all named now. And I'm just going to show you quickly how to find that in the macro. I'm going to hold the control button down. And hit A. Keep the control button down. As usual, deselect the media out. Right click on any one of the other nodes. You're going to want to look all the way at the very bottom for your switch. And this would be my color. Box 2, all the way at the bottom. Same thing with box 3. You obviously would be normally filling in a lot more of this stuff. This is for just demonstration. And box 4, all the way at the bottom. All under user. And then go to file, save as group, takes you to macros, go to Fusion instead, templates, edit, titles. Here's where you're going to make a folder to put your preset in. Once again, don't name it the same, or Resolve won't recognize it. This is it. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.